In a fast-paced office environment, passwords are the first line of defense. Meet Sarah, a marketing manager struggling with countless passwords. But what happens when that defense is weak? Her weak password is about to put her company at risk. Cybercriminals thrive on weak passwords. They can try millions of combinations in minutes using brute force attacks. Passwords like 12356 or password are not just outdated, they're an open invitation to hackers. 81% of hacking-related breaches are due to weak or stolen passwords. From data breaches to financial losses, weak passwords can cripple businesses. In 2022 alone, cybercrime cost companies $6 trillion. Enter password managers, a modern solution for an age-old problem. They securely store your passwords. Password managers generate strong passwords and fill them in automatically when needed. Why switch? Security, convenience, and efficiency. Save time and frustration with password resets. Implementing password managers in the workplace is simple. Start by choosing the right tool. Popular options include LastPass, Dashlane, and Bitwarden. Train your team and set policies. Change can be intimidating. Address common concerns like data privacy and ease of use. By adopting password managers, your company advances a security-first culture, empowering your team. Secure your workplace with password managers today and take control of your company's future.